We have Miss Bonnie. She is with me, and you, yeah, having a little fuss. She loves her fusses. They've all had fusses this morning, but Bonnie's still here, yeah, don't you? And then there is Albert, who is eating the millet. Of course Albert's eating, he's always eating. And then there is Humphrey, just sitting on the pot. She does this a lot, don't you? Don't you? Hey? Do you do that a lot? She loves her fusses too. And then there's Barney up there destroying a toy. So that's not going to last long. Lola is watching. Nora's just sitting there watching as well. Hey Nora. Just having a little sit down. Rio is playing with this toy. It's got so much to do on this toy. And Molly is on the net swing, which she is slowly destroying. Yes. So this is what my lot are up to at the moment. Busy, busy.